What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Clark Bishop, Clark's Vision, Go Take Me, and I'm back with another tutorial today. And it's just, hold on, let me see something. Nah, I don't like that. I keep it like this. Alright, I'm back with another tutorial today, and today we're going to be talking about how to do the reverb effect. If you keep up with YouTube like I do, you know Creative Ryan, you know YC, have me using this effect in their videos. And actually Creative Ryan, he made a video on how to do it in Premiere Pro. And there was no video on YouTube how to do it in Final Cut Pro. There was a couple, but they wasn't like the official video. So I'm gonna make this the official video of how to do the reverb effect. And the effect is, I'll show you right there.
We still got a shot.
So I was just with my guy Leo. He was always talking like he always does. And I just wanted to figure out a cool way to end that video. And that just echo effect into the next scene was just perfect for it. And I feel like a lot of more creative should use this effect, but don't overuse it, just use it when it's right. It's a pretty cool effect, and I believe we're going to be seeing more and more in 2018. So here we go. This is how you do it in Final Cut Pro. Okay, so let's go into it. So I showed you this video. The video goes in, and that's the effect right there. So what I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. And what you got to do is find his last word. So shot was his last word. So we're gonna go here where I already had it clipped at. Cut that out. Let me cut off the effects. So the effects is the cathedral right here. So that effect, I'm gonna take that out. So what would you do after you detach the audio? Would you go in there? You go in there, click, go to the last frame. Last frame indicates that right there, and you put the hold on there. Now with the hold, it extends this clip so it gives you extra space for audio. So what you do is go down to audio here, and under Final Cut, find a cathedral, and you will place that on here. Bam, and that effect, you see this in here? It shows you all that. You got that in there. So it's basically the echo effect. And here we go. And I usually just cut this last piece off. I don't know why it does it. I just cut it off. Command B. Command B. Take that off. And you're good. And now you got the effect. And you can just drag it down back. Yeah. Perfect way to end any type of vlog or go into another scene. This is the reverb effect, or the echo effect at the end of the vlog. That's what I like to call it. I don't even know reverb. I'll probably find it out. Put the definition right here. But thank you guys for watching. I'm Clark Vision, Go Take Media again. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Leave a comment below. Go follow me on Instagram at Clark's Vision, man. I'm trying to grow my page slowly, man. I got a lot of great content on there. Follow me, please. Don't follow me if I gotta say please. Just follow me, give me a like, man, give me a share. I'll see you guys later. Catch you on the next vlog. I'm out.